Fix a zipper with missing teeth in just 1 minute. No need to replace it. Hello everyone, I'm Tracy. Today, join me as we repair this broken jacket zipper and turn it into a perfect one. Smooth, sturdy, and as good as new. That's not all. Your jacket will look newer and neater with the secret tips waiting at the end of the video. The first step is to find exactly where the zipper teeth are missing and calculate how many teeth need to be replaced. Carefully observe along the zipper line and stop at the position where a gap appears, which is the spot that needs to be fixed. Count the missing teeth carefully to know how many teeth need to be added later. Next, instead of buying a new zipper, you can borrow a few teeth from a part of the zipper that you rarely use, such as the upper part near the collar or the very bottom. Those areas do not affect how you zip up your jacket, so taking a few teeth from there is completely safe. Then remove the metal stopper and reattach it close to the zipper slider so it won't come loose later. Use needle nose pliers to gently remove the extra teeth. Hold the zipper firmly and pull slowly to avoid tearing the plastic or ripping the fabric. After removing the required number of teeth, now it's time to create and attach the replacement teeth. Take the zipper teeth you removed earlier. They will fit perfectly because they belong to the same type of zipper. To make installation easier, take a small toothpick and gently insert it into each replacement tooth. This action helps slightly widen the plastic base, making it easier to fit onto the zipper tape later. Next, hold the part of the zipper where the teeth are missing and use needle nose pliers to keep it steady. Make sure the fabric is flat and not twisted. Carefully place one replacement tooth in the correct position and press slowly but firmly until it locks onto the tape. It's important not to rush. The plastic teeth can break if you use too much force. Take your time. And when the first tooth is in the right place, continue with the next one in the same way. When all the new teeth are in the correct position, check the alignment and make sure everything fits perfectly. Use a small toothpick or pliers to gently adjust the spacing between the teeth so that both sides of the zipper are even. This step helps the slider move more smoothly later. When everything looks good, try pulling the zipper up slowly from the bottom. If the zipper slides easily without getting stuck or separating, congratulations! You fixed it successfully. Take a little time to test it a few times. Pulling it up and down to make sure the new teeth hold firmly. You'll see that the zipper feels strong and secure, and it's even hard to tell which part was repaired. If you still feel some stiffness when zipping, it might be because dust has built up over time, making it move less smoothly. The solution is very simple, just use a small amount of Vaseline. First, wipe the zipper clean with a dry cloth to remove any dust and small pieces of fabric that may be stuck on it. Then, take a small amount of Vaseline using a cotton swab or your fingertip. Then, gently apply it to both sides of the zipper teeth. Focus on the area near the slider, where the most friction occurs. When applying, you only need a thin layer. Do not use too much to avoid making the zipper sticky or attracting dust. Next, move the zipper up and down several times so the Vaseline spreads evenly between the teeth and forms a light, smooth coating on the surface. You'll immediately feel the difference. The zipper glides smoothly, without sticking, catching, or resistance, and feels much lighter to pull. So you finished fixing the zipper on your jacket, but looking at this stain, it seems like a coffee spill, or a few stains and mold spots that's been there for who knows how long, doesn't it? Don't worry, because I told you from the beginning that you could turn this into a brand new jacket. Let's take care of this stain together. First, mix a mild cleaning solution with 1 cup of warm water, 1 small spoon of baking soda, and a few drops of gentle dish soap. Stir well until everything dissolves. Next, use a cotton pad or a soft cloth to dip into the solution and gently dab it on the stain. Leave it for about 5–10 minutes so the solution can break down the coffee particles trapped in the fabric. Then, use a clean cloth to dab the area again with cold water to remove any soap residue. If the stain still looks slightly dark, you can apply a little diluted white vinegar to that spot. Wait a few minutes, and then rinse again with clean water. Finally, let the jacket air dry in a well-ventilated place, avoiding direct sunlight to prevent color fading. Once dry, your jacket will be completely clean without any spreading or color loss. Let's make sure it stays that way. Finally, I'd like to share with you 2 tips for folding and hanging shirts in a way that keeps them neat and helps maintain their shape every time you wear them. Usually, when traveling, people tend to fold shirts into a suitcase like this, or hang them on a rack using a simple hanger like this. But that's not the correct way because doing so can easily cause wrinkles, distort the shape, or even stretch out the shirt. If anyone is still doing it this way, you definitely need to watch the method I'm about to show you. If you're going on a trip and want to fold your shirts compactly into a suitcase while saving space, give this method a try. First, zip up the jacket completely so it stays flat and keeps its shape while folding. Then, fold the bottom of the jacket up about 1/3 of its length, turning it inside out. This part will be used to wrap the jacket at the end, so make sure to fold it neatly. Next, fold both sleeves toward the center so the sleeves lie flat inside the body of the jacket. If the sleeves are long, you can fold them in half so they don't stick out. When both sleeves are neatly tucked in, fold both sides of the jacket toward the middle so the body forms a neat rectangle. Now, flip the jacket over so the outer side faces down, then start rolling it tightly from the collar down to the bottom. While rolling, hold it firmly to keep it from puffing up or shifting. When you reach the end, you'll see the bottom part that you folded up earlier. Turn that bottom section back over to wrap around the rolled jacket. This way, your jacket will stay compact in a small, firm roll without coming undone or wrinkling. This method is very convenient for travel, packing in a suitcase, or storing in a drawer while keeping your jacket flat and clean. Besides folding your jacket neatly, if you just want to store it on a rack, try this method. Most people hang jackets in the usual way by slipping the hanger through the shoulders. But over time, this method can cause the collar to stretch and the shoulders to droop, especially with heavy jackets. Actually, there's a better and safer way to hang your jacket without damaging its shape. First, lay your jacket flat on a table and fold it in half vertically, making sure the 2 sleeves overlap neatly. After folding, take a clothes hanger, and it is best to use a wooden hanger because it is stronger and smoother than plastic or metal hangers. Next, place the hanger in the middle of the body and sleeves, with the hook facing outward under the armpit. Carefully thread the body and sleeves of the jacket through the hanger, just like you see me doing here. When you lift the jacket up, you will see that it stays balanced and tidy, without putting pressure on the shoulders or collar. The fabric does not stretch, and the jacket keeps its original shape as expected. This method keeps your jacket neat, saves closet and rack space, and helps maintain its perfect shape for a longer time. That's it. Those are all the tips to turn a jacket with a broken zipper, stubborn stains, and a lost shape into a perfect one again. Now your zipper glides smoothly, the fabric is spotless, and you've learned how to fold and hang it neatly. Are you ready to refresh your own jacket using the steps I just showed you? Give it a try and let me know the results in the comments below. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos.